again, here we are today, we're back on Leeds and Liverpool canal. It's Monday, we're going to have a bit of a walk along here, show you what we see, hope you enjoy it.
Yes, so come here to see what we found. Hopefully we'll see some more new babies or the few week-old goslings that we found the other week.
Let's give you a shot over at Pendle. Let's look at Sky today. I think we'll be lucky if we don't get wet today with these clouds.
Yeah, it's strange, clear and hazy at the same time. They're only about a week old, aren't they?
Yeah, new ducks.
Yeah. It's cool, so late in year you're finding new life. Oh, we're on canal.
Yeah. Looks like all them geese are staying there looking at Ben, so we'll go and have a look at them, see if there's any new goslings. There's some new ones right there, Don.
Yeah.
Oh,
well.
I see a new 3-4 week old, aren't they?
Yeah, they're about that, aren't they?
I don't think there's any more.
No.
I think that's it now for...
And then ones are the other new ones we found, well, they're about 3-4
Yeah,
weeks
the same
old,
ones,
so.
innit?
Yeah.
I don't think there's been any more actually, so I think these will be the last ones this season for them, won't it?
Yeah, definitely. But look, now they've got to that age, they've joined up with main group.
Yeah. When they're young, they segregate them,
Yeah.
don't they? It's good how they've done that. Look at them, keeping the so clean and prone even at that age. That made me jump if it did that then. I thought I'd missed something.
Yeah, look, the geese have took over a tree spot from cows and pushed them away from it.
Well, them were stood behind it last time, weren't they? They stood behind it. You like them, don't you?
Yeah,
Crows, ravens, jackdaws, that kind of magpie.
and I think they're real cool birds.
The amount of nature that's still around in Sunvale, isn't it?
Usually on the other side.
Well, it looks like there's a duck up there with some more chicks, look.
Wow, that's so cute.
So ducks are seeming to still be having chicks, aren't they?
Yeah.
Well, I think geese have given it up now.
I don't like them white swallows.
No, they're a beautiful bird, aren't they? You can't have to have as well, can they?
I know. Amazing watching them fly and dance.
Look, there's a load of geese over there in field too, look.
Oh, I didn't even see them.
Is it maybe? Does it seem like well, there's going to be a lot more geese in it because they won't go out on these chicks, but it looks even more than that.
Yeah, I get what you mean. I'm looking at it thinking, where have all these come from? But they're absolutely tons of chick goslings, weren't there?
Well, we're going to, yeah, do you want to sit down here and we'll have a bit of dinner?
Well, I would, but
Yeah, I was
Quite
going
a
to say
bit
there, but it's all
yeah,
full of
there is
goose
quite a
scat
bit
in
of
it, so.
poo.
Here's not so bad, look, we're about sitting here.
Yeah, that's clean. Oh, look how clear water is.
It's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can see that down to it. I've never seen bricks anywhere else like that apart from in canal. But it's only for a short distance of it, isn't it?
Yeah.
It looks like he's trying to run for his life, right?
Yeah. It's just shedding its feathers, isn't it?
Yeah, I thought it were injured, that one, man.
Yeah. No, it's fine. It just looks like it's shedding feathers. You know that they're going to fall out a bit soon. What are them?
I'm not sure.
There were quite a few of them flying about, weren't there?
They were. I think they're skylarks.
Aye.
Yeah, but I've not seen them fly around in a group. I'll have to look
Yeah.
when I get back on, see a bit of picture on telly. I can't really see, tell you the truth, sun's in my eyes. I'm sure that crow's following you. I was just about to say it's give you away. Definitely you're familiar.
I can't believe that cow's just still stood there chilling in water.
It's having a little paddle, isn't it? Well, last few days it has been, well, it's been awful hot, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Even Earth, there hasn't been any oxygen in there, has it?
I couldn't breathe the other day properly, it was that bad.
It's like trying to breathe through a slow blowing air dryer.
Yeah.
It does take it out to you a bit more when you're walking in heat like that, doesn't it?
Yeah, it definitely does.
Oh, wow.
It's like they're following us along canal.
Oh, you've known them since they were babies.
Yeah. It's like we sit down, they all come over to us.
You're probably thinking, what's your fetch me this one day?
Yeah, probably.
You do that
Yeah.
gosling food you got. I didn't know you could buy gosling food and swan food and duck food.
Well, you're not meant to give them bread.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
why
I've
I
heard
don't
that.
like giving them so much bread, just a tiny bit, because everyone else around here is probably giving them bread. So I went, it's at home, swan and geese food.
Nice look at the colour of that duck, look.
Oh, that's cool.
That's beautiful, isn't it?
It is.
I haven't seen one like that.
No. It's not the normal mallard. That's what is it?
Oh, I wonder why it's like that. If it's a different species of duck, if it's just a bit of a freak.
There you go, it's worked out well for it, hasn't it?
Cool.
That looks better than other ducks, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Female ducks do a bit bland.
Bland and boring, aren't they? It's the male's bit colours, but that one's a smart one.
Yeah, I do like that. It's very cool.
Looks like an owl with a bird of prey type of colour.
Yeah.
Seagulls in the sky as well, look.
I do get what you mean though with geese. It does seem like there's a lot more, but then you have to keep reminding yourself there were a heck of a lot of goslings.
Yeah, they were. But even so, it seems like there's a lot more. But look,
Wow.
be careful there. They must spend a lot of time there. Eh?
Yeah, there's loads of.
It's a shame goose scat's not worth money. We'd be quids in, won't we?
Yeah, I can't see.
Well, if it's any good for your garden, compost, don't I? Will be, won't it?
It might be.
Well, there's some goslings over there, look.
It's hard to tell from here. I think it's just geese led down. Can't see out that looks
Yellow.
younger out of. No.
Oh, I don't think there's any new ones there. Oh, look at pied wagtail there.
Is that what that were?
Yeah, beautiful little bird.
They are a beautiful little bird, them, aren't they?
Oh wow, look at beyond Scottish thistle. Very windy in there, so you
It's having a fair old munch of that, isn't it? Covering its selling pollen up.
yeah.
What's them there? Is that baby moor? Mooring?
I don't know.
I think it's a cow to a mooring or something. I'm not too sure from here.
Little chicks.
Yeah, it's a mooring, look. It was throwing me off at the back end.
Steady water.
Oh, heck. Oh, it's a dead goose, look.
Oh no way.
Yeah, I'm not going to give a zoom in on that. Nobody wants to see that, do they?
Oh, I wonder what's happened to that.
I don't know. You could only speculate, can't you?
Oh, poor thing.
Well, it is a shame, but it's sad for us, but it's party time for fishies and
I
worms and that, ain't it?
yeah, I
Anyway.
know, but it's still not nice to see.
No, I get you. At least it's not one of them swans, eh?
No.
I mean, we ain't sounding heartless like that. You ain't going to miss one or two geese, are they?
Well, I'm not going to notice, but yeah, I noticed when a swan disappeared.
Keep his eyes out for that yellow wagtail we keep seeing down here.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not too sure what that is, but that's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah. It's crazy, isn't it? All strange new things we're still spotting.
I've never seen a... I don't know if that were damselfly, dragonfly. It definitely wasn't a damselfly.
It was too fast, I couldn't see it.
They were
Well,
total
you were-
different blue, yeah.
Yeah.
But it was smart. Well, if anyone has got any idea what that were, it'd be great if you could let us know. Okay, I'm noticing a lot of butterflies and flying stuff today that I haven't really noticed before.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's different seasons for different butterflies, but usually we just see them peacock ones and whitens and red admirals, don't we?
Yeah. Maybe.
Oh,
maybe
them little
there is.
blues. Yeah, I forgot about them little blues. We see a lot of them too, don't we?
Yeah.
But that blue dragonfly thing we've just seen, I've not seen one of them before ever.
No, and I've seen a few massive ones as well today.
What's happening there?
I don't know what that is.
Not sure, but its eyes were massive.
As long as it's not a biter, I'm happy.
You know, since we're going past long, it seems Vic to do, doesn't it?
Yeah. Never little else.
That's it. How much that stuff takes, so just be careful what you grab out of, because there's a lot of that.
Hogweed.
Yeah, hogweed in there. Yeah, let's look at the size of it, but How easy it pulls up, it's unreal. Horrible stuff. Well, it's starting to flower in there, look though.
Yeah. It's absolutely too cold in there. I think thinking of it, that's what made garlic, with the wild garlic, end early, because that took over it with rowing.
Yeah. I strangled it, blocked some from it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes sense. Well, yeah, that was that yellow wagtail, I think.
Was it?
Yeah, I think we just got a shot of it. I was beginning to think it had gone home because we hadn't seen it for a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
We seen it a couple of weeks in a row and then we hadn't seen it for a couple of weeks, but I think I just got a shot of it then. I'll have to have a bit of a better look when I get back.
Yeah. Well, you just reminded me of a bit of a look when we got back. That were cool to see them bird eggs, weren't it?
Oh yeah, them bobbin eggs.
Yeah, when you couldn't see it nest and you raised the phone to have a look.
Yeah, I was well shot when I seen them.
that was well cool.
Proper smart bro them, weren't they?
Yeah. That were on that pet cemetery and quarry walk, weren't it?
Yeah. Comes in handy the extending sticks and that, right?
Yeah.
Well, actually climbing up and taking it down or disturbing it. We'd have never seen him do out in it, would we?
No.
We are planning on going back there at some point, next couple of weeks. Having a bit of an explore down them caves, so if anyone's interested in that, look out for that one.
Should be exciting.
It'd be exciting for you sat at the door wondering if I'm going to come back or get crushed.
Well, no, I'm not going down. I'm just going to stay at the gate.
Yeah, that's good of you.
But I get to see what you find, so that's going to be exciting.
You'll be taking bets whether or not I'm going to go back.
You will be coming back.
Yeah, I think I'm going to end up taking Jordan down there with me.
Yeah.
Hey, there's some crazy designs with insects, isn't there?
There is.
They just don't look. They just look like eyes with wings. They don't look like they balanced right to should be able to fly out there.
Well, them bumblebees are scientific proven that they shouldn't be able to fly, but somehow they can.
Yeah, I've heard something like that. I'm not falling for that. I spent about half hour, an hour over a week, didn't I? Running around chasing butterflies in field trying to get a shot of them.
Yeah, I'd have a laugh at that, yeah.
I must look like someone gone crackers.
Well, I never thought you'd chase butterflies, Wayne.
No, I never.
It is a pretty one, though.
You're alright if you can catch them still, but if you see one flying and then you wait for it to land, you have no chance. That thing's just teasing you, it's just wanting you to chase after it.
Yeah.
Cool, damselflies on canal, there's loads of them.
There is. I think it's heat and humidity that fetches them out more.
But it makes sense for larvae and pupae and all that to form better in water, won't it?
It would.
Only if temperature makes a difference to sex. It does with a lot of birds and fish, doesn't it? Only if it does with insects.
I'm not sure on that one.
All them poppies that we kept seeing along here didn't last long, did they?
No, they don't seem to flower for long, do they?
I thought it was going to be rife with them all the way along here, but they just seem to have died off real quick, don't they?
Yeah.
Not falling for it. They're tempting me.
What, to go chasing them?
Yeah, you know that we keep seeing 3 or 4 together and they're all dancing around each other. We keep saying that'd be good to get on camera.
Yeah, they do a cool down.
Yeah, they keep tasing me like that. Well, 5 minutes ago it started raining and now the sun's come back out.
I know.
Thunderstorm weather, innit?
It is.
Yeah, they're a strange thing, aren't they, them pond skaters?
Yeah, it's like they were playing a game of tag.
Yeah, I'm not sure what they were doing there. Right, I'll just nip up there and see if that's changed on that shoe tree. I'll meet you at the other side. So there's some more rain on its way. There she is, look, beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Well, saying look over there on the horizon, look.
It's nice, isn't it?
It's like there's some more rain on its way, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, that's a good sign, rain. But to your left, there's definitely no cows on motorway bridge. Oh, that's a cool butterfly.
There's no cows there today, is there?
Motorway bridge field, is there?
Still, they weren't last week until we crossed over and walked down. I don't know where they appeared from. Like they just popped out of a portal somewhere.
It's like they just spawned there, weren't it?
Yeah. That were a big dragonfly, weren't it?
Yeah.
I don't think we've seen one that colour neither. The big ones we've been getting it last few weeks, they've been like a goldy colour, aren't they?
Yeah, they have.
Really are starting to see totally different butterflies, aren't we?
Yeah, maybe you're right, different butterflies do come out at different times.
Yeah, I'm only guessing that, but it's seeming that way, isn't it?
Yeah.
don't know how well camera were picking them up, but there's a load of fish in there.
Yeah, there were loads, weren't there?
You know, any of that stuff that seems to be clearing water up.
Yeah.
There does seem to be a lot of like green algae growing on top this week that weren't there last week.
Yeah,
I wonder if that has out to do with some weather.
I'm not sure, but I've noticed signs around, not here, in other places, saying algae blooms.
I bet it's to do with heat.
Yeah.
I've seen little reservoirs, I know what you mean now. We've seen that sign, haven't we? Causes irritation on your skin and stuff.
Yeah.
Well, they're not daft, are they?
No. Seeking shade under the bridge.
Yeah, I don't blame it. Now it stopped spitting, temperatures rose a lot, hasn't it?
It has.
What are in there?
I'm not too sure.
I think it's just a black bag. I thought it were a flock of birds or something then.
Well, yeah, when I thought I'd seen carrier bags in a tree, it did turn out to be herrings, didn't it?
Yeah. What do you think, go down to water and have a bit of dinner?
Yeah.
You I got it. Sit your weight on me. Watch them nettles.
Yeah, it is a bin bag.
Ah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah. Good eye though.
Oh, I can't believe how hot it's got it last hour. It's getting up there like it were yesterday now, isn't it?
Yeah. The weather is very schizophrenic though today.
In the beginning at walk I thought we were going to get wet. I thought, oh no, we've not dressed right for this, we're going to get wet again.
Yeah.
Look, there's that pineapple stuff in it.
Yeah.
Since you tell me about that, I can't stop smelling it.
Actually tastes like pineapples as well.
Smells just like them, doesn't it?
Yeah. That tree right now.
Yeah. Quite a few in field, isn't there?
Yeah, I've noticed a lot more crows around today as well. I wonder if that's because they've got their fledglings with them all grown up.
I bet it is, you know. Yeah, it will be, won't it?
Yeah.
Oh, there's something there, look. Well, I'm not too sure what them birds were. I think that could have been that falcon or kestrel, whatever it were we thought we seen the other week, eh?
Yeah. I think it were the birds of prey that were seen, but we're
There's definitely a bird of prey, aren't they?
unidentified.
I can never get a clear enough shot.
Yeah.
Hopefully I'll be able to zoom in on TV, but if anyone did get a bit of a good look at them, I didn't know what they are, if you could let us know, that'd be brilliant. I'll just give you a shot of this before we have his dinner. That's absolutely beautiful. I thought it had come back then, that's just a crow in it.
Yeah.
Oh, that big herring we usually see is not in the tree again today, is it?
No, I haven't seen that for a while.
We just sit back end of it over a week, didn't we, flying off? So we know it's still about. It's just, we used to see it all the time, it just used to sit there, didn't it?
Yeah.
When it's flying around trying to attract a mate or something.
Maybe.
And all the way through winter, we're just up in that tree, weren't it?
Yeah.
Just trying to give you a bit of an indication about how many damselflies there is just flying about on here. There's loads more than what there usually is.
Yeah, there's swarms of them on the surface at work, isn't there?
And we usually see them, don't we? But not in them type of numbers.
No.
It has to be with heat, doesn't it?
It does feel like there's a lot more swarms of different types of insects today.
I don't think gestation period for larvae or pupae, I only think it's a few days, so it could speed it up.
Yeah, I know it does with mosquitoes. There's certain rabbits that
Oh, they're definitely related to
take
mosquito, aren't they?
mosquitoes fast.
You know, like spring seems to be time for animals.
And
You know, like
babies.
sheep, cows, birds.
Yeah.
I think summer might be time for insects, especially with midges and things like that, because the horseflies, where we've been walking lately, we've been getting eaten to bugger, haven't we?
Yeah, midges and horseflies are rife at the minute. Evil they are. That's a massive one.
Massive that, weren't it?
Yeah.
I never thought dragonflies were that big, you know.
Oh, neither did I.
I'll just give you a last look around before we set off again. Absolutely beautiful place. I had to come and sit there and eat your dinner. Right, we'll keep going back onto the canal for you. That bee on that, absolutely covered in pollen.
It's cool, isn't it, watching them?
Oh, it's a great way nature's come up with pollinating flowers using bees like that.
I know.
Is that what you mean by algae bloom, all that
I'm
green
not
stuff
sure,
on top
I
there?
think so, but it looks a bit scummy, doesn't it? So I'm guessing that is it.
Yeah. That duckweed soup or something, isn't it?
Yeah.
I bet it is with heat. Because that were on top last week, weren't it? But that like yellowy orangey stuff that's growing on top, I don't remember that being there.
No, I think that's the algae bit.
Give them a shot at the horizon, look. Look at that, absolutely beautiful.
It is, isn't it? So lucky to live where we are.
Look at that, just with sun on peak up.
Yeah, that looks well smart.
Beautiful. Oh,
Cowdery field.
always seem to be led down, and that could hold up these ones.
Yeah.
They almost look like they've had a rough night, don't they? Morning after night before, they all look rough as toast.
Well, the people all looking at us going, we're waiting for you.
Yeah,
We're going to chase you.
there she is, we'll get her this time. That looks like it's going to have markings like that other female duck was in.
It does, doesn't it? I wonder if that's that same chick we seen last week on its own.
Could be. Right, we'll keep going that way. Fling the little dog in it. Thinks it's a Rottweiler, that dog, doesn't it? It's got little dog syndrome. Yeah. It's always little dogs that are like that, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's only doing what it's supposed to, though, and it's just alerting people you're there. Still funny when you see a little dog barking, though, isn't it?
It is. You see a Rottweiler barking though, you'd run.
Oh, Hambledon Hill looks clear today.
It does. That came in quick, didn't it?
It's still sunny over in places, look.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's been following us around for a bit, as that rain, hasn't it? It seems to be catching up with us a bit now.
It does.
Hopefully it'll push some oxygen down there.
Yeah.
Even though it is, well, it's not really raining, is it? It's just spitting. But even though it's still warm and hot, isn't it?
It is.
Even air's warm.
Yeah, it is heavy air.
Yeah, that bad weather's definitely chasing us. We might just be lucky and just miss it, don't? We might just be lucky and miss bad weather.
Yeah, hopefully.
Absolutely beautiful scenery, isn't it?
It is, it's beautiful and stunning.
Yeah, I think definitely this week we'll try and make it back up Hambledon Hill.
Yeah, definitely at some point.
Have a bit of a... Oh wow. Have a bit of a look for any more evidence up there.
Yeah, definitely.
Be interesting to see what's happened to them carcasses we found last time we were up as well.
Yeah.
And to see if out's been eating them or they've just been rotting naturally. Or...
Yeah. Yeah, it will be interesting because there was that dog walker you spoke to that mentioned a sighting of what were it, a lynx or something.
Yeah. Well, he said same, he said he found a load of carcasses on his walks as well.
Yeah.
He said it was a common thing to see up there.
I like them tiny little birds.
Beautiful little things, isn't they?
Oh, there's loads of them. I bet long-tailed ticks.
I think so, yeah. I'm not too sure. I can't get one to keep still long enough to have a look.
I've seen one round Morgan Ferry and it looked like a cotton ball with a long tail.
There's a good chance of it then.
Yeah.
Right, well there you had it. Thanks for coming with us on another one. Hope you've all enjoyed what you've seen.
Yeah, thanks for coming with us. Hope you've enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe. And we'll get back to every comment. And we've also got TikTok and Instagram in the same name, Brickhead and Motherwolf.
Have a little look at that if you want. Have a good night. Thanks for watching.